So next na tayo. Ano ba ang calibration? Pag sinabing calibration, nandun yung word na comparison. You cannot compare kung isa lang. Tama? Pag sinabing compare, minimum dalawa or more. Diba? So calibration is simply the comparison of two instruments or machine, no? Or device, one of which is standard of long accuracy. Yung isa is standard, traceable to national standard or international standard to detect, correlate, or eliminate by adjustment any discrepancy in accuracy of the instrument or measuring device being compared with the standard. So, ito yung standard, ito yung kinakalibrate. Okay? Laging merong standard, kasi isa naman ay yung instrument or device na kinakalibrate. So,